Plant FAQs, Philodendron Joepii. Philodendron Joepii, unveiling the allure of this rare beauty. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Philodendron Joepii, a plant that stole the hearts of collectors with its unique foliage and intriguing backstory. Buckle up, because this isn't your average philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is Philodendron Joepii? Discovered in 1991 by Joepii in eastern French Guiana, Philodendron Joepii is a captivating member of the Araceae family. Its true origins remain a mystery, but it's believed to be a natural hybrid within the Pedatum complex. This prized houseplant boasts uniquely shaped leaves that transform as it matures, adding an element of surprise to its growth. How to care for Philodendron Joepii. While captivating, Philodendron Joepii isn't overly fussy. Here's how to keep your prized possession thriving. Light. Think dappled sunlight. Avoid harsh direct rays that can scorch the leaves. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of bright, indirect light daily. Water. Don't drown it. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. In winter, reduce watering frequency as the plant goes dormant. Temperature. Philodendron Joepii hails from the tropics. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Humidity. Mimic its natural habitat by providing moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray or a humidifier can help. Soil. Ensure well-draining, aerated soil. A mixture of potting mix, perlite, and orchid bark can work wonders. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted balanced fertilizer applied monthly can give your Philodendron Joepii a boost. How to propagate Philodendron Joepii. Sharing the love. Philodendron Joepii can be propagated through stem cuttings. Here's a quick guide. Identify a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where leaves and roots emerge. Using sterilized shears, make a clean cut just below a node. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a couple at the top. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining potting mix. Moisten the soil but don't drench it. Cover the pot loosely with plastic wrap to create a humid environment. Place the pot in bright, indirect light and maintain consistent moisture. Patience is key. Rooting can take several weeks. Once established, remove the plastic wrap and care for your new Philodendron Joepii like the mature plant. What to plant with Philodendron Joepii. Philodendron Joepii can be a stunning solo act, but it also plays well with others. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Philodendron Birkin. The contrasting foliage creates a visually dynamic duo. Monstera deliciosa. Swiss cheese plant. Their climbing habits can be trained together on a moss pole for a lush vertical display. Anthurium. The vibrant flowers of Anthurium complement the unique leaves of Philodendron Joepii. Remember to consider light, water, and humidity needs when choosing companion plants to ensure everyone thrives. Why are my Philodendron Joepii leaves curling? Curling leaves can indicate underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient humidity. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Increase humidity around the plant if necessary. Why are the leaves on my Philodendron Joepii turning brown? Brown spots can be caused by sunburn from excessive direct light. Ensure your plant receives filtered or dappled sunlight. Brown edges can also indicate underwatering or a lack of humidity. Is Philodendron Joepii toxic? Unfortunately, yes. Like most philodendrons, Philodendron Joepii contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Philodendron Joepii versus 69686. Both Philodendron Joepii and Philodendron 69686 exhibit a similar appearance, characterized by green trilobed leaves. However, the distinction lies in the intricacy and thickness of the leaves. Philodendron Joepii's leaves appear thinner and more intricately designed compared to the 69,686 variety. There you have it, folks. With a little TLC, you can cultivate a thriving Philodendron Joepii that will be a conversation starter in your home. Happy planting!